Good morning, everyone. This is Rhett Scott at HP Commerce Software. I welcome you to day one of our HP Quick Start training. The focus of today's class is systems configuration, searching, working with brands, and then a product overview. I want to go over a little bit of orientation and the purpose of the webinar. This webinar, the focus is to keep it simple. We want to cover 80% of what you will effectively use. We want to build awareness about other features within HP that you may be interested in. And so from time to time we'll be talking about those, but not really going into them in any detail, just more to build awareness. And then to get the most out of this training, please ask questions. The basics. So since this is our first class and we have some people that are brand new to HP with us today, we want to cover just some basic information. First of all, support and training are included with your subscription to HP Commerce Orion. So anytime you need help, just pick up the phone and give us a call or send us an email and we will help you out. If you're new to HP, you need to know that HP will take care of installing and configuring Orion for you. So you don't have to worry about that. So that includes getting it set up on your main computer, and then if you're in a network situation, it will include helping you get your other workstations set up if they are on your network. The other item that the support team wants to help you with is to leverage your existing data if you're new to HP. What that means is that if you have information in another system that you're migrating from, or perhaps in spreadsheets, or information that's available from your suppliers, or even UPS, we want to help you use that information to get it into HP to help you get off to a quick start. Getting information into HP so that you can use it to produce orders is key to a smooth and quick transition into HP Commerce Orion. HP Commerce Orion speaks your language. The performance racing and motorsports industry is the only industries that we've served since 25 years now. And we seek to make the product think and act the way that you do, use the language that you use. So let's get started with today's class. I'm probably going to beat you up on this slide every day, and I want to emphasize that to use HP in the quickest, easiest way, use the keyboard. We have designed HP Commerce Orion so that you can do almost everything in the software just by using your keyboard. What does this mean? Well, it means it's fast. You're not constantly grabbing for the mouse to do something. It makes things very simple because you can just look at the screen, you can learn the keystrokes, and many of our customers that have been with us for a while, they can do things that are quite complicated with their eyes closed just by using the keystrokes. And then it's elegant. It's not clumsy. You can just use the keyboard to smoothly and easily move through the software. The other item that we've done with HP Commerce Orion is to make it very linear. There is one way of doing things. There aren't a lot of different pop-up windows. There aren't a lot of different ways to get to the same thing. There's just one way to streamline navigating to one option or feature that you may want to use in the software. And also, there's only, in addition to there being just one way in to things, then there's one way out, and that's using the escape key, which because of the keyboard interface is very important. So that escape key is up in your upper left-hand corner of your keyboard. Pressing the escape key will back you back out of screens and forms and menus. If there are situations where you need to save information, pressing the escape key will give you a confirmation to save or discard the changes that you've made. At the bottom of every screen, almost, we have a dashboard. This dashboard is your powerful navigation tool for HP Commerce Orion. For a given form that you're on, it will tell you the extra features that you can use while you're on that particular form, whether it be search tools or tools that you can use to pop up additional screens that will give you more detailed information about what you're looking for, you're going to find the answer down at the bottom of the screen in the dashboard. And then finally, the way we've designed HP Commerce Orion is to make all parts of the system operate the same. So if you learn to do one thing, then you know how to do 5 other things. If you know how to create an invoice or a sales order, then that means you know how to create a quote or a purchase order. So we've sought to keep things very similar across all parts of HP.